Today, we'll learn how to divide a single property into multiple zones, creating distinct areas within one property. This technique is particularly useful for managing larger properties by segmenting them for better oversight. Let's begin. You'll start by clicking on the Edit Takeoff button in your property. Then click on Create Zone. You have the choice of two tools, the Zone Polygon or the Zone Line. Select Zone Polygon to proceed. Now, create a polygon to define your first zone. You'll see that your property is now split into two zones. Here is Zone 1 and there is Zone 2. If you want to save your work, simply click on Save. Looking at the screen, you can observe that both Zone 1 and Zone 2 are clearly marked. For further customization, click on the settings next to Zone 1 to rename it, delete it, edit it, or even merge it with another zone. Moving on, if you need to export the property with its newly created zones, click on Export. Then, choose Export PDF file. In this section, you have the option to switch to the zonal report. Here you can decide to include either Zone 1 or Zone 2, and also select which specific features to include or exclude from the report. Once you've made your selections, go ahead and click on Send to Email. And just like that, your property with its newly divided zones will be delivered straight to your inbox. Thank you for joining us.